my beloved Lebanon. Today we gather with heavy hearts to commemorate and pay tribute to the victims of the devastating August 4th, 2020 Beirut blast. As we come together, let us remember the lives lost and the families forever changed by this tragedy. It has been 3 years since that fateful day, and the scars left behind still run deep. The Beirut blast was a tragedy that shook our nation to its core. Lives were lost, families shattered, and the city's landscape forever altered. Now is the time to unite under a common purpose, driven by the desire to rebuild our country and restore the faith of our citizens in the power of their government. Together, we can forge a path towards a brighter future, characterized by collaboration, compromise, and a shared commitment to the people of Lebanon. Let us seize this moment of remembrance and reflection to recommit ourselves to the values of unity, service, and putting Lebanon first. Together, we can rebuild our beloved nation and restore the faith of our people in the power of their government. Godspeed.